Guys, welcome back to my trade recap of Monday. We got April the 20th. So I'll just be quickly revising today's price action. Nice look back on my entries and opportunities that I missed. So yeah, let's get right into it. What can we see? We can see that price opened today with a nice bearish wick as expected, from the bearish news over the weekend. So this is nothing really surprising to me. What we did then during pre-Asia session, we had a nice 15-minute candle going into the prior resistance level, like into the zone of the prior New York high, and beautifully closing above, as you can see here, and then returning back to the upside, creating this support level here, creating demand zones here, going back into it during Asia session, and then accumulating further up to the upside. What we also see is a clean bearish value gap right here, which is not getting closed fully. During the New York session, we see that the candle, like, we are just mitigating and just edging, the upper limit of the fair value gap. We are not actually getting closure above, so we're not getting an inversion here, which is again a bearish sign. It is a bearish signal. What's happening then? We are closing below the gap. Like, within the gap, we are accumulating down, and this is like kind of the point where bearish news are coming in from 10 a.m. if I'm not wrong. So yeah, and price is easily moving down towards our support level right here, which is a valid zone, I would say. We are creating again, like, a nice 15-minute candle. We are sweeping the lows right here, sweeping liquidity, closing back into the demand zone, and it's ending like we are going further up from here, from the demand zone. So this would be another opportunity to get in. Put your stop, I don't know, maybe below these lows right here, to not get stopped out, because if you put it if you put it right under the zone, it gets stopped out. So maybe leave a bit breathing room and just let the trade run like that. But this is not the setup that I took today. I took quite a loss today on ES and also on Nasdaq. Traded on MetaTrader. So what I took was a long setup for today, because I don't know, I just anticipated price to take out liquidity of prior New York highs and basically sweep the highs and maybe reverse from there. But that wasn't the scenario. It's all good, I'm just collecting data. But anyway, the trade that I took was, well, let me show you. It was something like, no wait, I took this on ES. Yes, this was the trade that I took. Yeah, I basically, as you can see, I just bought at the high, like, right. I just bought the fucking high, and from there on, I went for a 1 to 2 risk to reward, targeting the highs. And from there on, you can see price immediately reversed back, bearish news coming in, I get stopped out. My idea for the stop loss was these wick rejections right here at this level, as you can see. So I just thought we are getting a nice rejection of, like, nice respect of this fair value gap right here, and getting a recovery to the upside. So I entered on the impulse, which is not optimal. I think this is also a takeaway that you can learn from, that you can take for your own trading. I wasn't waiting for a retest, I wasn't trading a nice retest, I wasn't buying the dip, so it was pretty risky, the trade. Looking back on it, it was fucking risky, to be honest with you. Getting stopped out, prices moving lower, creating a higher low, then we simply moving slower up. But yeah, this was pretty much it. Guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the content. I'll be back tomorrow, trading, recapping my trading, making a video of price action, maybe some nice setups that we can take, and I'll try to prepare my trading session as good as possible for having a nice bias in place, so I don't trade on the wrong side of the market, and we'll just learn, collect data, and improve. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next